As you know, Goa police has been continuously taking action against people who are supplying drugs. Or in continuation of this exercise, yesterday, Mandre police station has arrested one Israeli national called Yaakov Naor. He's around 28 years old, and from his possession we found dried mushrooms, another drug called psilocybin, and ganja. These drugs qualify under the commercial quantity, and relevant section of the NDPS Act have been invoked, and we are interrogating him to get more details about from where he had gotten the supply of these drugs, so that necessarily backward and forward linkages can be established. Now, if you have any more questions, you can ask. We are estimating that the total value of this drug in the international market is around 9 lakh rupees. Yes. All this is right now part of investigation, and we have gotten 7 days of police custody from the Honorable Court, and we will be interrogating him on all these aspects, from where he got this and where was he planning to sell. But from our initial investigation, what it has revealed that they were using dark web to sell these, to procure these drugs and sell these drugs. तो अभी इसके अंदर ये इतना ही निकल के आया है अभी तक की हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में, और जैसे भी आगे आगे हमें जानकारी मिलती जाएगी हम आपके साथ वैसे शेयर करते रहेंगे. This is not a drug which in recent seizures have happened in Goa, and we are also exploring whether in past who were the criminals who were involved in selling these drugs, so that we can establish some linkages. तो उस पर भी काम चल रहा है.
So based on the rarity of this drug, we are trying to establish link with previous.
No. What I am saying is that we are exploring कि previously who the criminals who we have arrested under NDPS Act who were also dealing with such kind of drugs, उनको भी हम interrogate कर रहे हैं और उनसे भी हम निकाल रहे हैं ताकि some linkage can be established whether any common source is there. Yes.
Okay. So जो क्राइम रेट जो है वी हैव सीन इन दिस डेज जो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं बार बार. 2 दिन हो गए. एक कल का एक केस है कंदोली में, और मापसा में सेम एक स्टबिंग केस जो हुआ है. एक्यूज जो है फिलहाल अभी तक एस्कॉन्डिंग है दोनों केस में.
देखिए, जो दोनों क्राइम हुए हैं इसके अंदर हमारी स्पेशल टीम्स फॉर्म हो गई हैं, और बहुत ही जल्द आपको इनका पॉजिटिव एक रिजल्ट मिलेगा. And we are very close to working out these cases, and we will soon share with you all the information.
Okay.
But इसके अंदर कुछ some press people have interpreted these as gang rivalries. इस तरीके से इसमें कुछ भी अभी तक हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निकल के नहीं आया है. जिन्होंने क्राइम किया they have all been identified, and teams have been formed, and very soon we will be able to catch them.
Okay.
अभी तक एक केस हमने पोल वायलेशन के खिलाफ किया है. एक फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड ने एक कंप्लेंट दी थी मांद्रे पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर. उसी कंप्लेंट को हमने कॉग्निसेंस लेते हुए उसके ऊपर एक FIR दाखिल की है. So only one case has so far been reported in whole of North District.
How old is the accused and since how long?
The accused is around 27 years old, and he's been staying in Goa for last. He recently come to Goa from Bangalore. अभी ही आया था वो, from Bangalore से अभी आया था और जी.
Which of transport, like how we are
अभी ये सारी चीज़ें हम इनसे कुछ 7 दिन की हमने इनसे कस्टडी ली है कोर्ट से, तो इन सब चीज़ों पर डिटेल में उनसे इंटरोगेशन किया जाएगा और कुछ उसमें वो तो हम सारी चीज़ें उनसे पूछेंगे ही.
ड्रग का नाम क्या बोल रहे हैं? साइक्लोसिबिन.
वो अभी मैं आपको एग्जैक्ट लिखवा देता हूँ नाम, पर एग्जैक्ट जो अभी हमारे पास सूचना है जो वो ये है कि इट इज़ 136 ग्राम्स ऑफ ड्राइड मशरूम एंड 132 ग्राम्स ऑफ साइलोसिबिन
Yes.
and also ganja, 140 grams of ganja.
Yes, sir.
Okay.